Hello, I am Craig Salzer, the CEO of JLS Automation. We provide robotic-based automation solutions for food packaging. Our focus is vision-guided technology and hygienic design. Our capabilities span from primary loading solutions and include cartoning and case packing, with all of our solutions using Delta robots for high performance and common components within the platform. This year, we are launching our Peregrine IS cartoning system, a monoblock solution for forming, loading, and closing of cartons. This machine has received very positive feedback from the customers who have had a sneak preview of it. It is the most compact and streamlined solution for high-speed cartoning. In some cases, the floor space required is 50% less than what is required for our competitive solutions. We will also be showing the latest of our Hawk case packer, and make a note of stopping by the Foremost Fuji booth, number 1500, to see our Talon loading technology and all that Foremost Fuji offers. You can connect with us at jlsautomation.com to schedule an appointment or to get more information about our exciting new offering. We are excited to share the latest from JLS with you and look forward to seeing you in Las Vegas in September. We invite you to schedule an appointment to meet with our team at IBIE to learn more about the Peregrine IS machine. We are in the West Hall in booth 3215. Thank you and have a great day.